In this video, you'll learn how to use media monitoring in Heepsy to automatically track creator content. Use this when you want Heepsy to monitor upcoming posts or stories from a creator as part of a collaboration. Start by opening the creator card inside your list. From the creator card, click the record button to set up media monitoring. Add an internal name so you can easily identify this monitoring later. Choose what type of content you want to monitor. You can monitor Instagram posts or stories, TikTok videos or stories, and YouTube videos or shorts. Select the dates during which you want Heepsy to monitor the creator's account. Only upcoming content is supported. Historical posts or stories are not monitored. To receive only relevant content, you can specify a hashtag or mention so Heepsy tracks only brand-related posts. Once everything is set, start the monitoring. Heepsy will automatically collect matching content published during the monitoring period. All monitored media appears inside the collaborations media section. You can view and manage all your monitorings from the monitoring section. Here you can see which monitorings are currently live and which have ended. That's it. Your creator monitoring is active and content will be tracked automatically. Next, you can include monitored content and metrics in your campaign reports.